Thank you for that very kind introduction. Good morning and welcome to the many local distinguished guests and guests from around the world.
I'm very delighted to be here to present my project, to present a study entitled Enhancing Technology Integration in Lesson Study, a Malaysian Perspective. Teaching. Teachers have three loves: love of learning, love of learners, and the love of bringing first two loves together.
Selamat datang ke Majlis Perasmian Pembukaan Persidangan World Association of Lesson Studies WALS 2022.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wulan Tesahining Tias. I am from Pahoa School, Indonesia. Group discussion towards students' conceptual understanding data from lesson study. The most important thing from this group discussion is not only about the cognitive, but also some morality happens.
My name Angga Sri Prasetyo. I'm a teacher at Pahoa Junior High School. Today, I will present the result of my research entitled Internalization of Teacher-Kue Values, Character Education through Positive Discipline in the Learning Process. Meanwhile, student discipline in collecting assignment or responding to teacher reference 72%.
Afternoon, educators. Thank you for the opportunity for me to share my paper, my study. Result we can also confirm. We found out that the students who conducted group discussion in roundtable shows improvement in their post-test scores.
I am Christopher Tobing from Pahoa Integrated School, Indonesia, and I would like to share about my paper with the title of The Implementations of Blended Learning to Increase Grade 11 Science Students' Critical Thinking Skills in Learning Biology. Blended learning increase access and flexibility of the learners and also increase the level of active learning.
We will talk about what we say and how do we learn during lesson study. Why is the whole class discussion so important? Because of this dialogue. Because when we have to express idea, when we have to listen to each other's idea, our knowledge is evolving.
Today, I'm going to talk about the holistic model of education as it is in Japan. Those are the lunch serving toban. Okay, so everyone does it. It rotates. No, everyone does it. And then that's cleaning. They're cleaning the classroom. Okay, this is a group stayover, also a Tokatsu activity. And they of course socialize, and practice leadership skills and things like that.
And today I'm going to talk about the impact or the potentiality of the impact of lesson study and Tokatsu.
Tokatsu began in 1958 when the Ministry of Education at that time decided that academic subjects alone wasn't enough to fully realize the goal of education. Tokatsu is a set of activities for developing students' non-cognitive skills, such as social and emotional skills, to create an enjoyable class life, such as classroom discussions have changed a strict school into a fun school for children. And we have seen many children want to go to school even if they are sick.
means that students can solve the problem in routine context with all information provided and really defined.
I will share with you two. There are many, but these are the two that we have found to surface again and again in the many lesson studies that we have conducted. Mathematics lesson can be quite interesting because the entire structure is different to what we used to see or even do. Let me maybe demonstrate what I mean by different using an example of a problem. Can I invite 6 teachers from Pahoa School to help me with this problem? So these are my colleagues from Pahoa School in Indonesia, and they will help me with this problem. Dr. Yap, I wasted 25 years of my life as a teacher. The way I taught mathematics to my students, I think I need to go and look for them and say sorry. It's like, oh my goodness, you mean mathematics lesson is like that? I didn't know. I'm such an experienced teacher, teaching for 25 years. Model of teacher change. Category of people we found are people who ignore of teachers. They attempt to do what they claim is good, but they can do it in the lessons they have seen. Integrate. Teachers in the integrate level, they are able to apply what they saw in the research lessons to their own lessons.
As the final say, I hope this 3-day conference is fruitful and has become an enjoyable experience. I hope we cross paths again in the future for any collaboration or sharing session.
I feel privileged and honored to invite you to join us at the 2023 WALS International Conference. I am excited to invite you to join and share your experience, your lesson studies, and the cultural program we are going to present to you.
I'd just like to say to teachers at Pahoa Integrated School in Indonesia, I've been so impressed by the participation of your delegates in the conference. They've been so energetic and enthusiastic and thoughtful and asked a lot of important questions. I think they're really helping to improve lesson study in the world. Thank you.
Just wonderful to have people attending WALS for the first time. And I hope that the members of your school who attended WALS will really bring this energy back to the school, and as well as they will bring us your energy for the next WALS in Vienna in 2023. See you there!